today we are doing healthy snacks and we have a special guest here,
Sophie.
So today we're going to be making healthy tarts. The ingredients are
Banana.
oats.
That was never expected to happen. I mean, that was not supposed to happen.
2 hands like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Hold the bowl a little bit as well. You have to bring the raspberry and blackberry mixture like this. It's going to be like looking like jam. Then I'm going to be adding some chia seeds to it. Now it's Sophie's turn, so we're going to be adding peanut butter to a mixture of banana. So let me just get it for you. Here you go. That's it. Yep, that's fine. And now we're going to be adding 1 cup of oats. We're going to be giving this a mix. Here you go, so roll up your sleeves. Pass me the spoon. Alright, now we're going to be using our hands like this. Yeah, so we can mix everything in. Yeah?
I did one.
Yes, mix everything in. So once we mix everything up, the oats and the mixture is going to be looking like this, like a dough. So the next step is we're going to get a piece of the dough, add it to our molds like this. Oh. And then after I mold it into the top mold like this to make sure everywhere is covered on the sides and there will be a space in the middle. I'm going to give a piece to Sophie so she can help me. So these are ready. We're going to be adding the mixture of the raspberries and blackberries and chia seeds into the little molds like this. I'm going to give this job to Sophie. And meanwhile, I have chocolate that is suitable for cooking. That we're going to be melting this for 1 to 2 minutes in the microwave.
I'm going to be continue doing in this.
The chocolate is melted. Sophie is almost ready. So meanwhile, I'm going to add 1 spoon of chocolate onto the tarts.
Yummy. Now you shake it a little bit so that it can spread. It's fine. Add more chocolate.
Like this.
Very yummy, the chocolate.
So these are ready. We're gonna pop them into the fridge and they are ready to eat.
Yummy.
The tarts are ready and they're ready to eat. Bon appetit!
Let's try them. Ay, 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 mamma mia. Sour.
Delicious.